This plaque right here symbolises the long-standing collaborative partnership between GROB Machine Tools and Seco's Innovation Hub. But let's find out exactly what this all means. So, Dave, how long has this partnership been in place then?
I think probably looking at 10 years now, but it really started to get more serious probably 7 years ago.
What do you mean by get more serious?
Where we really started to work together, we started to collaborate to develop new technologies and solutions for UK manufacturing.
And who does this ultimately benefit, this collaboration?
I think ultimately it's the end users, it's the customers, it's people that are cutting metal. They're the ones that really sort of benefit from the technologies that we've been developing together.
So you've got a machine here at Seco, but how does this help people having a physical, tangible machine here?
I think it helps with proof of concept. We can go and tell customers, you can do this, you can do that, you can make it this quickly. But it's a case of, okay, well, go on, prove it. And with this technology, we can absolutely prove it. By having state-of-the-art technology in the Innovation Hub, we can walk the walk as well as talk the talk.
I like that. You're not just saying, I can tell you this, I can show you this. In terms of, you're probably not allowed to say, but case studies and customers, have people seen massive gains from having this collaboration?
Absolutely, yeah. Again, I can't name names,
No.
You know what, there's too many that we've impacted, I think, in a positive way. But yeah, we've crossed many segments with this. I think if we look at two key technology-led segments, such as aerospace and medical, we really have developed some game-changing solutions between us that have really benefited the end user.
And in your opinion, personally, what do you think the future holds with this relationship or partnership?
I think it's going to go from strength to strength. In industry, we see a real drive for multitasking machines that can do more than one job.
Yeah.
And I think it's finding more novel, game-changing ways of utilising this technology and the knowledge that we have at Seco to really help customers optimise and get the most out of the technologies that they have on site. We want to make UK more competitive, and that's the way we feel we can do it. Another fantastic benefit of having this technology on site is production is absolutely king for our customers, for manufacturing. They can't really stop their machines or break into their production to implement new process or to do trials or tests on that new process. Here we can actually do it, we can do all the hard work without interrupting their process, and we can literally lift that technology and just embed it straight into their manufacturing.
So you're not just telling them what they can do, but you're showing them.
Showing them we can do it, and we can lift it up and implement it straight away.